me kog ask, ngano di ko nimo gabiyaan? But you answer is, always, kay dili man pod ko nimo gabiyaan, naara man ka permis ako.
I always pray to God that someday I could find the perfect woman. And God never failed me because He brought you to me.
And I know I tend to be hard on you, but only 'cause you're mine. And I'm forever first in line while we're waiting to see you fly. We're waiting to see you.
Manuel and Eileen are beginning the journey, a very beautiful journey. A journey of Joseph and Mary. A journey where God started to save all of us. And that is the family.
It has come to a point that we are now finally stepping up to a new journey. For almost 7 years, you're always there with me.
As cliche as it would seem, meeting you was unexpected. Who would have thought that a broken person like me would finally meet the one who would help me become a better person?
Wa ko nagdahom nga ikaw makuha. Tungod wala man ko'y kahom, ug walay maikahatag. Apan ikaw giampo ko ngadto sa kahitasan. Gihatag ka karon diri sa kuha. Dugay man ang paghuwal apan karon niya nata. Usa kong matagtikang padulong diha sa imong tupad. Kadamgo kong gidahuman mahuman tungod matuman na.
I just want you to know that in the past few days, I have loved you more. Because you have shown me kindness and generosity. Katunag ingon ko sa imo na, babe, murag magamit na tong budget sa kasal. I found someone who shares the same love para sa ako, Papa. You were there with me crying.
Despite the challenges we've had in the past couple of weeks, you've shown great resilience. Babe, in front of God, witnessed by your family and friends, I vow to be the first call when you have both terrible and wonderful news. To hold your hands on your hardest days and your greatest adventures.
What's on your mind? I see that you are struggling. Why wasting time to try to fix this on your own? You said you'd be alright, 'cause there is some hidden love, hidden love, hidden love just for us. 'Cause you got that real love. You want to heal the world. So now I am saving mine for us.
I vow to pick you up when the world knocks you down. For the highs and the lows, for the ups and the downs, the roadblocks and every turn that we do not expect, I will remain by your side. Always remember that you are my person, my inspiration, my love, and my everything. I cannot wait to build a future with you together, with God as the center of our lives.
But nakaingon gid ko na, Lord, you have blessed me someone who I can share with for the rest of my life. And that is forever I'm thankful for.
I love you, babe, so much forever and ever.
And I love you, babe, so much.